Here's Matt with Jackson, Memorial Day 2011, and Matt is burping Jackson for the first time.
Yep.
But he's afraid to hit him harder than that. Even though his father's encouraging him to give him a harder smack. And he fed him for the first time.
Yep.
Hi, Jackie. Hi, Jackson.
One of his greatest legacies is the Great Wall of China.
Oh.
When the land is prosperous, he decides it's time to go.
Did you find a new best friend?
He comes back
Yeah.
and he gets back
Yes,
in
I
the
did.
belly of the dragon and flies off forever.
He's such a good baby. He doesn't cry.
He's so good.
Were these dragons
How's he doing, Dad?
He's doing pretty good.
Good.
biological nature?
Dad approves.
Or
Oh,
were they
hi, Sam.
misinterpreted types of machines?
I can't get Ashen. Oh, you're feeling vain too?
I didn't do my makeup. You can't just pop up on me like this.
Can you please have videotape over here in this